Now in this video we are going to understand the dictionary. So dictionary is one kind of a data structure or a data type which hold our value. Like if I write a equal to in the curly bracket, we can write the method this way. This is basically called as a key, then colon, and then we have a value. So all the dictionaries are being defined this way. Okay, in the curly bracket you write a combination of key and the value. So let's see here, the RAM is basically key, the mic is basically key, Jill is basically a key, and the value is their phone numbers. You can check out, these are the phone numbers. So this is basically called as a dictionary. So we have created the dictionary called as a phone book. Similarly, you can create a dictionary which is a blank, and after that you can add the values inside that this way. So John is basically the key, and the phone number is value. Jack, key, and phone number is value. Jill, key, and the phone number is value. So when you create this way, you are going to get your phone number and the dictionary in this format. You can check out whether RAM is there inside the phone book. Yes, it is. You can able to do that. But when you try to check the phone number of a RAM, it is going to say no. This is called in is basically was a membership operator. Even if that number is available over here, it is going to say false because in dictionary we cannot check the value directly. You can check the key is available or not, but you cannot go directly to the value. To reach to the value, we actually need the key of that. Like your house is a value, and you need a key to enter your house. Okay, so your house is a value, and to enter your house you need a key. So without key we cannot reach to the value of dictionary. You can check out the length of the phone book you created. Three numbers I have added into that. Okay, I can check out the type. It is going to say DICT. Now I'm creating one more dictionary called the name as Rama, age is 7, and class is first. And you can check out what are the key in this. So name, age, and class is a key. What are the different values? Rama 7 and the first is a value. You can check out all the items which are in term of a key and value pair. So key value, you can check out here. You can check out, you can delete one particular part, like I'm deleting a key name, and I can see, okay. So now the name is deleted. You can clear the total dictionary also. So everything will be deleted, and when you check out, the answer will be a blank or a empty dictionary. So dictionary is very useful method to hold the value in a key and value pair, and very effective way you can utilize this. Normally, if you see application, your phone book is one kind of a dictionary setup only.